Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c cubed divided by c plus c is equals to 12, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So here you see that in the denominator side we have c is added by 3 times. So we write it as c cubed divided by, when we add these three c's we get 3 times of c, and this is equals to 12. And now further in the next step we need to move the term 3c from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get c cube equals to, this is 12 times of 3c. And here we need more simplification, and we have this is c cube equals to, we know about that 12 times 3 is equals to 36 times of c. And now here further in the next step we move the term 36c from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get c cubed minus 36c, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step you see that each of these terms involve c, so that we take common c from here, and when we take common c we get the remaining values are, from here we get c square minus, from here we get 36, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step here we divide this equation into the two cases. So first we write c is equals to 0, and the second case is c square minus 36 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and now in order to get the other roots we need to solve this equation. So here we first rewrite this equation as c square minus, this is 36, we write it as 6 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we use here the nice algebraic formula. Here you know about that, if we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula we just expand the left hand side of the above equation, as this is c square minus 6 square becomes c minus 6 times of c plus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 6 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write c plus 6 equals to 0. So from here we move the term minus 6 to the right hand side, and we get the value of c is equals to plus 6. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move the term plus 6 to the right hand side, and we get the value of c is equals to minus 6. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these three values of c is satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of these values we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is c cubed divided by c plus c is equals to 12. So this is our given question statement, and here in this side we verify c is equals to 0, and in this side we verify c is equals to plus 6, and here in this side we verify c is equals to minus 6. So here we verify all these three roots of the given equation. And now first we substitute c is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and we get 0 cubed divided by 0 plus 0 is equals to 12. And now we have 0 cubed is equals to 0 over 0 plus 0 becomes 0 equals to 12. So after this little bit simplification we get the given question is 0 over 0 form, or we usually call that it is the indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value c is equals to 0 does not satisfy our given question statement. So we call that c is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now in the same pattern, we verify the second value of c, and here we have the value of c is equals to 6. So when we put it here, and we get 6 cubed divided by 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 12 or not. And here you see that this 6 is added by 3 times, and we write it as 3 times of 6 is equals to 12. This 6 and this 6 are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are from the numerator. We get 6 square divided by 6 is equals to 12. And now further in the next step, you see that 6 square becomes 36 divided by 3 is equals to 12. So when we cancel these terms, we get here 3 times 12 becomes 36. So we easily get 12 is equals to 12. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value c is equals to 6 is satisfied our given question statement. So here in the same pattern, we just verify the third value of c. So when we put this value of c into the left hand side, this will be written as minus 6 cubed divided by, this is minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 is equals to 12. So here you see that minus 6 is added by 3 times. So we write it as 3 times of minus 6, and this is equals to 12. So here we need more simplifications, and we check that is this equals to 12 or not. So you see that this minus 6 and this are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are minus 6 square divided by 3 is equals to 12. And now further in the next step, we have minus 6 square becomes 36 divided by 3 is equals to 12. And here we cancel these terms, and we have 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So again you clearly see that we get 12 is equals to 12. So it means that c is equals to minus 6 is also satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have there are two values out of 3 which satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is c is equals to plus minus 6. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.